CES, formerly known as the Consumer Electronics Show, is about to officially get underway in Las Vegas. And while crews are busy getting the display booths ready for the some 4,000 or so companies and many more startups, some announcements have already been made. A consumer cordless window cleaning robot. Ecovacs makes robot vacuum cleaners, and the Winbox X works in a similar way with edge detection and several cleaning passes, only this does it on glass and vertically. It will clean your outside windows with a tether system, so if it loses suction it will not fall far, and when low on power it will return to base. Can't wait to try this when it comes out mid-year, price yet to be confirmed. The first big announcements will come tomorrow. LG is always a showstopper with its wallpaper OLED TV last year stealing the show. This is where OLED technology shines. We've slapped it up on a glass wall here just using a magnetic back, and it's only 4mm thick, and I can grab underneath here and start bending it. That's the advantage of OLED technology. It's flexible, very thin, but still maintains amazing quality because of its self-lighting pixels, and I can view it from straight on or from over here at an angle and it still looks the same. That's the advantage you get with OLED. There'll be more flexible screens this year and a massive 8K OLED screen. Of course, Sony and Panasonic are also joining LG in the OLED market. Sony's A1 was a standout in design with its groundbreaking speaker system, a vibrating screen. In fact, when you turn it up, you can actually put your hand on the screen and feel it vibrate. Interesting to see what Samsung does, given they have backed LED with their QLED system over OLED. They're great for bright rooms, so will they double down on the technology? I'll be waiting through the best of the show each day to bring you the highlights that you can't miss of CES 2018.